Hello, this is Ripon Hussain Chappu from WP Theme Hut, and today we will have a look on paginations area of our blog page. So here you can see in the HTML part we are having some posts, and we have already told you guys how to dynamic these things. So you can check out our series, and today's part is to dynamic this one here, the paginations area. So in here I have made already the 4 posts here, but the pagination area is not here. So if I do more posts, then the post will be like this. So 1 2 3 4, then 5, then 6, then 7, then it will increase like that. But I don't want that. I want that 3 of the important posts that will be shown here, 3 of the latest posts that will be shown here, and after that this kind of paginations area will be here. And then if user click on 2, then other 3 posts will be shown. Then if you click on 3, then the other 3 will be shown. So I want to make like that. So for make like that, as you can see here, there are 4 posts. Now I will make it into 3 posts. So WordPress default has that functionalities. So for making it in 3, we will go on settings, then click on here the readings area. Then you can see blog pages show at most 10 posts. So if I make it on 3 and click on save changes, and if I give a refresh here, you can see here 1 2 and 3 posts, and the other one is not here, and we need to enable the pagination here, pagination area right now. So for doing the pagination area, we need a functions, that is take this paginations, and it's a pre-built one. I will give the link in the description for these functions, and for this file WP Bootstrap paginations, I have customized it a little bit. As you can see here, it's a big code, so it will be difficult to make in raw, right? So it will be a little bit difficult to understand you that how this is working on. And if you don't like my one, then you can also search on WP Bootstrap pagination, and in the GitHub area you can see the same kind of code here. So you can copy this one too. So it's the same. So as you can see here, the Bootstrap paginations and some things, but in my one I have customized it like my own preference. Okay, so we need to include this code in our functions.php. So I have made a file here, WP Bootstrap pagination, as you can see here inside the inc folder. So I'll include this file in here in my functions.php. So here I will write pagination, and in inc then the WP Bootstrap pagination. So nothing more, WP underscore bootstrap underscore pagination. Okay, WP Bootstrap paginations.php. So now this function will started to work. Now if I go on the HTML part, here you can see it's on the blog page, and the blog page content is coming from our index.php area. Here you can see the index.php area. So for include this paginations code, if I go on onto the HTML here in the blog page, then you can see here the VS pagination. If I search it here, you can see here after this the pagination area has started. Okay, after the VS block single, then the pagination area started. So we can do it like we can move it from that area. So if I copy this VS pagination full area, and if I go in here and paste it, yeah, okay. Now if I go in my this page and give a refresh, then you can see this. So it has gone outside of the college. Okay, so we will need to put it in here. So the placing is perfect here. Now if I give a refresh, you can see the position is perfect now. So I need to make it dynamic now. If I click here, nothing will work. So now I need to make it to work. So for making that, you can see here this part li, and this is the next area, the last one, and there will be another one here in the left side, the previous one, because if I go on the 2, then I need to obviously get a back button here also. So for that we'll make some code also. So inside the UL we will go for like PHP, then I will include this text-based pagination. Okay, text-based pagination, and if I go here and give a refresh, then you will not see anything because I need to echo it. Okay, now you can see here the 1 and the 2. If I click on now the 2, then you can see the other post of mine. Okay, and now if I click on the 1, then you can see the first page here. So the dynamic part is here one with the 1 and 2, but I need a this icon here, and if I go on to then another left icon here, so that I can go to the previous page. So for making this with the arrow icon here, I need a the next one. For the next one here I need a PHP function, that post link. So if I search it here, next post link, and now if I go here where the WordPress developer resource, you can see here the next post links, and then the label is null, and then the maximum page size. So we can have it more here. Yeah, so I can write this next post link, and inside this we can pass our array. So pass our arrow. So for that I will make a variable here. So I will make it a little bit beautiful with the PHP code, so I don't need to start and in PHP code every time. Okay, so PHP, then I will make it with next is equal, then the arrow, this one. So I'll copy it and paste it here, and this next variable I will paste it here. Okay, and there is another one, that is prev. So here prev, this one will be left, and in here we will write another one. This was the next post link, and this one is previous post link, previous, previous post link with the prev one. Okay, so now if I go here and give a refresh, let's see what happened. Yeah, so you can see the next the arrow has come here perfectly, and if I click on this arrow now, then you can go here, and if I go to the page 2, then you can see here the another one that is going on and the previous one. So this way you can dynamic the paginations area. So for looking it more beautiful, we can make it inside a hooks function and make it a hook, then call it here. So that will be very perfect for us. So we can do that too, but it's your task, you can do that. So that's it for now. Thank you.